Alright, back on board. The footage before, it kind of spoiled to me because I didn't have the vent open. I never realized, so that frig up the footage. Alright, so we are go back on the road and now left here. So if you start it, you have to unlock and then you can start it. Long deal we go. Whew. Fresh air. Alright, that footage is supposed to look a bit better. Boy, Ray. Footage is supposed to look a bit better in terms of audio quality. Guys, I'm so sorry for the first audio quality. The first one, because I never realized I never realized I saw. Never realized the vent open. You see me? So it give me a crappy sound because of the wind. Shit, need to tighten chin strap. Be a knock it and knock for me. Tighten up this shit. Woo! As me say, bungalow clothes. Shit. Damn, nigga. Me just passed your sign. Shit. The whole of my visor with my helmet scratch up for sure no. Cause I just put on my helmet in a box in my car and it come like something scratch it up. So yeah, you don't see that, me I see that. neutral up on me. I got to blow now. This is what I miss about bikes, like quick passing, you know? Wait, no sabi. Yeah, they're clean though. I'll want top up or something. I'll be a mischief me I get. Woo! Oh shit! Something on the front end want tighten up, me not really. Yeah. Well, that's the thing, you know, when you buy one of them bike, yeah, brand new, you have to go over it, like you have to tighten up everything, you have to straighten up, you have to do everything, dog, you see me? Bombo! What go on? Bigger interview them. Where camera there? Where go on?
Yeah, see you.
Yeah?
I did on the road now, you know, see that? No, sir.
Yo, me no know where that the piece is gone, you know?
Yo, you pass out that
Yeah.
Oh, you the bike come off when I back.
And this here, man. Center stand.
Yeah, come see pass.
Yo, I went reach down the road, me I say about wait.
That time I tap you
Who the block? He gone now! Yeah!
Yeah.
Fuck the blow! Eh? Eh? Yo!
Yeah, if you drop in the family, you realize that they're on the road. Nothing else on the road.
Boom, boy. I can't believe I can tear off. What? Oh, what I deal with? How far white bike that?
Full of sticker door, me too.
Yeah, man. Come in, man.
Aye.
I want to go on this. So.
Sticker.
Oh, go on. Oh! Me nah kill you. Yeah? Which one is white one? This yeah? See it there?
Yeah, money, paradise.
Money? Me just spend it, collect them yeah.
So, them defensive.
Yeah, man. Actually, I'm buying this here about one.
Oh, okay. Okay, for sure? Ask him when last he go to town. I mean, I talk about bus. Eh? Eh? Don't a daylight you go buy that, man. Me know, say I don't sing, man.
But you can't have a business, man.
Break. And take off a sickness.
Eh? Me not even try wheelie. What? What? Let Brady tell about it. Yeah, look more. Bike just had jump. Yes, when you get a new bike. Bombard! Machine! Bombard! Oh, this will come off. Hand grip. Welcome to my old wheelie spot, guys. Woo! Float! turn this thing off? Oh, you have to hold on the button. Alright. I got like 18% battery life. But this is the end result. The back piece drop off. Right? Oh, that's all I cool. I know him. Different bike that. Yeah. Anyways, so the end result, the back piece also will have the light and everything drop off. Me don't know how, cause it literally screw on. Right? Under here, so not a probe. So bare things. Yeah. So this is the 2024 Missile 250 timing chain. Benefits of the timing chain, just a quick run, smoother ride, it is quicker, and the timing chain is a bit more reliable because you have less moving parts. The push rod have more parts. You have the rod them, you have a lot of other things. Timing chain, less maintenance, and so forth and so forth. The timing chain has seemingly seem to become like the more preferred option in terms of engine category for these little yang bikes. Because a lot of persons keep asking me what's the benefit of a timing chain over a push rod. Basically, as me say, quicker, yes, smoother, right? And overall it has a timing chain will have more tapping because you can hold out the gears longer with a timing chain engine. Timing chain also is a lot more harder to break. So while you can rev a timing chain, harder than a push rod, right? Push rod, you will have the occasional valve flying. Timing chain is less likely to have basically the valve flying. So that's why previously on my 250 timing chain, me never yet fly valves, and me have that for 5 years. Plus on the Zamco, me have that for like 2 years, and it fly valves in a 2 year time, and so forth and so on. So yeah, that basically is it. Yeah. See if I can go now. Well, technically my phone not really at work right now for me going no aesthetic shots or any what you call it there, any cinematics. So this is it. Yeah, so yeah, this wraps up my little basic review of the 250 timing chain Missile 2024 push button start. And any comments you wanna have, just drop it in the comment section. You see me? Yeah, see me can take 2 photos. Phone camera now work, guys. You see? It blank. Yeah, bag of things. Water catch your phone and one heap of bag of things did go on. So yeah, see there? Warning, camera fail. So I have to go up on Instagram to take picture. Alright. So yeah, this wraps up everything, guys. Deuces, peace out, thanks for watching. Good night, sick of you. What's up, my phone?
I don't need no help for get a hand out in the friend to the end. People hurt me and I'm scared so I can get attached. Some people down, I get this cash and I'ma give it back. Yeah, they used to count me out and say all my music trash. I can get attached to nobody, I swear I'm through with that. New J's drip, heard you talking down and I got proof so you can save it. They all got opinions about me, I don't care, I'm shameless. They gon' ride like we ain't had no problems when I'm fake.